Most people watching this right now will fail. Not because they're stupid, not because they're lazy, but because they are making structural mistakes that are literally killing their channels before YouTube even gets a chance to show their videos to people. Look at this guy, 0 views. I bet he spent 10 hours editing that video. But you know what? He made the same mistakes 99% of you make. If you watch this entire video, I am going to give you the exact AI blueprint. How to generate $10,000 in 30 days, even as a beginner. And I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that are printing money right now. And yes, I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube packaging so you actually get views. But first, if you are tired of 0 views and want to actually grow on YouTube, hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to work an 8 hours job and still build a $10,000 AI business. Let's get into it. The problem, the why you have 0 views explanation. So why do channels stay under 100 subscribers? I'm going to tell you right now, it's not your content. It's your packaging. Think of YouTube like a grocery store. You have millions of products on the shelf. People walk by, and they pick the product that looks the most interesting. They don't read the ingredients first. They look at the box. Your title and thumbnail are the box. That is the difference between 0 views and a million views. If your title doesn't create a curiosity gap, if it doesn't make people say, wait, what? They scroll past you. Mr. Beast says he spends 10 hours just on the title and thumbnail. He even said, I always keep one thing in mind, to make the best video on YouTube. Let's be real, the average click-through rate on YouTube is 2 to 5%. But Mr. Beast's videos? 12 to 15%. That's because he treats his titles like a science experiment. Every single video starts with a hypothesis about what will make people click. If you don't fix this, your video dies. That is the #1 reason 0 views happen. The algorithm isn't punishing you. It just doesn't know who to show your video to because no one is clicking on it. So let me show you how to fix that. The blueprint, the 30-day AI plan. Here is the exact blueprint. I'm going to show you the exact AI blueprint. How to generate $10,000 in 30 days, even as a beginner. And this works even if you have 0 experience, 0 coding skills, and 0 money to invest. You need to understand one thing. AI is the ultimate leverage. The most successful AI entrepreneurs right now aren't coders. They're just regular people who know how to use tools like ChatGPT and Claude better than everyone else. There's this 18-year-old high school student. He doesn't have a college degree. 0 programming background. He used OpenClaw, Claude, and GLM, basically AI tools, to create 15 AI employees. These AI agents work 24/7 for him. He started a company building websites and doing automation tasks. His monthly cost? Under $400. And he's already generated over $10,000 in revenue this year. Or look at this guy. A 47-year-old Japanese man. He spends $20 a month on a Claude subscription. He created an AI-generated virtual model, put her on OnlyFans and FanView, and now he's making $13,450 a month. These are real people. They are not tech geniuses. They just understand how to package and sell AI services. So here's your 30-day plan. Step 1. Find your niche. Day 1 to day 3. Pick a niche that has money. Local businesses are desperate for AI help. You can help them with customer support chatbots, lead generation, or content creation. One guy started offering a service where he builds custom AI chatbots for local plumbers and electricians. He charges $2,500 for setup and $400 to $800 a month in retainers. And he's not a coder. He just uses tools like N8N and make.com. Step 2. Productize your service. Day 4 to day 7. Don't sell AI consulting. Sell a specific package, call it the lead general AI package, or the content automator. Productize services sell better because people know exactly what they're getting. There are guys charging $3,000 to $10,000 per project for AI implementation. And they're just using AI to write proposals, contracts, and deliver solutions faster. Step 3. Build your offer using AI. Day 8 to day 14. Use Claude or ChatGPT to write your entire sales page, your pitch deck, and your email sequences. I'm serious. One guy landed a $50,000 consulting contract just by using Claude to write his proposal. The AI helps you sound like you've been doing this for 10 years. Step 4. Outreach and close. Day 15 to day 30. This is where the money comes in. You reach out to 10 businesses a day. Use AI to personalize your outreach. You offer them a free audit or a free sample of your work. Once they see the value, they pay you. If you close just 2 clients at $5,000 each, that's your $10,000 in 30 days. That is the blueprint. It's simple, but most people, the psychology, emotion, and storytelling. But here's the thing that most gurus won't tell you. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom. It's about waking up and not having to ask your boss for permission to take a day off. It's like to be stuck. I know what it's like to work a 9-to-5 job that drains your soul. I know what it's like to look at your bank account and feel that pit in your stomach. That's why I made this video. I want you to realize that you are one blueprint away from changing your life. Mr. Beast is the master of this. He said the future of content is moving from spectacle to story, from videos to world building, with empathy, precision with heart. People don't just watch videos for entertainment. They watch them because they feel something. If you can make someone feel something, they will watch the entire video. They will click. They will subscribe. The reason Mr. Beast's videos get 100 million views isn't just because he gives away money. It's because he makes you care. He makes you feel like you are part of something bigger. And that's what you need to do with your content. You need to make your audience feel seen. You need to make them feel like you understand their pain. So when you write your script, ask yourself, how is this helping my viewer? Are you saving them time? Saving them money? Making them feel less alone? If you can answer that question, you will win. The AI tools and updates, actionable examples. Alright, let's get into the specific AI tools that are making people rich right now. Because if you don't know the tools, you don't have a business. Number 1. Claude. This is your writer, your strategist, your consultant. You can feed it an entire business problem, and it will spit out a 10-page strategy in seconds. The Japanese guy making $13,000 a month? He used Claude. The guy who landed the $50,000 contract? He used Claude. This tool is a cheat code. Number 2. AI image generators. You don't need to be a graphic designer anymore. You can generate professional-looking thumbnails, logos, and marketing materials in seconds. There are people making thousands just selling AI-generated templates on Etsy and Gumroad. Number 3. N8N and Make.com. These are automation tools. They let you connect different apps together. You can set up a system where a lead fills out a form, an AI sends them a personalized email, and a chatbot books them into your calendar, all automatically. This is how you scale without hiring. Number 4. AI for content. There's a 19-year-old kid who dropped out of college and started teaching people how to use AI. He targets the 30 to 65 age group, people who are scared of tech. And he's making over 6 figures a month. He's not doing anything complicated. He's just breaking down complex AI concepts into simple, digestible steps. And this brings me to the most important update. The one-person AI agency is the new gold rush. You don't need a team. You don't need an office. You just need a laptop and a subscription to a few AI tools. The barrier to entry has never been lower. But here's the warning. Most people will buy the tools, get overwhelmed, and quit. Don't be that person. Pick one tool, master it, and then add the next one. The outro call to action in next video tease. So let me recap. We talked about the 3 mistakes that are keeping you under 100 subscribers. We talked about the power of packaging, how your title and thumbnail are the difference between 0 views and 1 million views. And we gave you the exact AI blueprint, how to generate $10,000 in 30 days, even as a beginner. But more than that, I want you to remember one thing. The algorithm doesn't hate you. It just doesn't know you yet. And if you fix your packaging, if you create curiosity, if you trigger emotion, the algorithm will find you. If you got value out of this video, I need you to do 2 things for me right now. Number 1. Smash that like button. Seriously, it helps the algorithm push this video to more people who need to hear this message. Number 2. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Because in my next video, I'm going to show you something that is going to blow your mind. That's right, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to work an 8-hour job and still build a $10,000 AI business. Most people think you need to quit your job to start a business. That is a lie. I'm going to show you the exact time management system that lets you work full-time and build a 6-figure AI business on the side. Imagine being able to walk into your boss's office and say, "I quit," because you have a business that pays you $10,000 a month. That could be you in 90 days. But only if you click that subscribe button and watch the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.